In this video, we are going to learn about blockchain or inventory management. So this topic comes under the unit Smart Manufacturing. So previously we learned the title called Supply Chain Management. So we know very well that a supply chain management is a method of planning, uh, managing and controlling the goods which get into the industry. And what are the services we provide for the customer? That also comes under supply chain management. From entry till exit, what are all the things which we do? That comes under supply chain management. This usually involves peoples like the supplier, the manufacturers, the warehouses, the inventory goods, the retailers, whom we contact, whom we sell. So these are the people which we will be in contact while doing the supply chain management. So the main objective of this one is to reduce the cost, to increase the efficiency, and also to satisfy the customer demand based on the customer need. So that is the main motive of this supply chain management. So during this entire process, we will be doing processes like procurement, customer needs details. We will be documenting. We will be managing the inventory. We will gather what are the stocks which are available in the inventory. Do we have the transportation to distribute that to the retailers, to the customers? Do we have branches there? So these are the things which we will be considering in this supply chain management. So our topic here is blockchain in inventory management. So inventory management means only the raw materials and the goods which we have in the manufacturing industry. So this is nothing but a digital framework or a record of maintaining what are the things that we have in the industry, uh, in the inventory specifically. How do we track them? Everything is digitized, not as a document. Everything is being digitized. So we verify what are the transactions which occurred in the inventory, whether it is there in the inventory or whether it is there in the department A, B, or whether it has moved on to the final stage. So those types of details of the raw material or the finished goods we will be having in the blockchain. That is the method of maintaining the inventory. So this will be efficient to handle the goods. This is totally automated. So this is the main topic. So this enables the real-time tracking of the goods. Everybody who are working in that department or the field, they will be knowing what are the things or the raw materials which could be used, how to reduce the errors, how to satisfy the customer needs. So these things could be easily viewed and it is open for everybody. So it is like maintaining the track or the records of what is there inside the organization or inside the inventory. So this increases the efficiency. This reduces the time consumption of manufacturing the product. This reduces the paperwork. This will reduce the delay for developing while developing the product. So these are the main advantages of using this blockchain in inventory management. So this is quite a transparent. The goods are quite viewable for all the developers or the supervisors, managers who are there in the field. This is more secure because when everything is viewable, the goods will be secured and it will be safe. So efficiency of production will be very good. Automation will also be there. It is like an integration process. So interactive management. What do we have in the inventory? How do we manufacture? So that helps. This blockchain acts as the interaction between the inventory and the management. So here we have the mind map. So we provide the final product to the supplier. We produce the product. We give it to the distributor. We give it to the retailer, and we give it to the customers also directly sometimes. So these are the main applications of the blockchain in inventory management. It is specifically used in car manufacturing industries like Toyota, which obviously increases the production. Reduces the downtime, and this also uses AI-driven supply chain visibility to reduce the inventory cost. So this tracking reduces the inventory cost. How? Because when availability is more, we are not going to invest money on buying it. So that is how the inventory cost could be reduced. If it is not available, somebody would rise for the quotation and somebody will buy it. The responsible person will buy it. So that is the main purpose of the transparency. Smart warehousing and automated systems. This enables the smart warehousing and the automated system. So here we have the assessment quiz. What is the main role of smart contracts in blockchain-based inventory management? So if you know the answer, comment me below. See you in the next video. Until then, it's a bye from Radhika.